Good morning from drizzly Dorrigo, just 60 k's west of Coffs Harbour. Now I've come today to do Dangar's Falls walk, which is set amongst beautiful Antarctic beech trees. Let's go down and check it out. On the way down to the falls, I noticed this composition from the elevated boardwalk. It includes the lush bracken ferns that surround the Beilsden River and the two trees that frame the waterfall, creating depth. I used a wide 18mm lens to fit everything in, and the soft overcast light was very nice to work with. I was especially drawn to the beech tree on the left, with its golden leaves now that we are in autumn. This walk came as a pleasant surprise, and I would highly recommend if you're visiting Waterfall Way.